I always want to stay in RV, and today I'm gonna make it, and I'm so excited. So let's get inside.
I found a charming RV in the perfect location. It is just 7 minutes from the center of Real del Monte and 30 minutes from Mineral del Chico. The RV is inside a private and secure property, so you don't need to worry to stay here. You get unforgettable experience, you get woods, and you get peaceful. It's perfect for couples with bedroom, bathroom, garden area, and it starts around at $45 per night.
This is beautiful. The space is small, but you have dining room.
And you can use it for working table as well and still can enjoy the view through the window.
And there is a kitchen. You can cook here because it has utensils, things that you need to cook, and it has coffee. It's free. Tea.
There is the oven, the fridge,
and let's take a look at the bedroom.
It has comfy bed and enough blankets because it gets really cold at night. And there's also a closet above the bed.
Let's get to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's small,
but you have closet, toilet, sink, mirror, shower, and small tub. You get the real experience what it would be like to live in RV.
The most incredible here is the view. It's beautiful and so nature.
It's surrounded by trees, so it's really quiet, and that's perfect to escape from the city.
This is the garden area where you can chill or enjoy your coffee or tea because there is a chairs, table, fire pit, and the barbecue.
And this is what it looks like at night. Warm and peaceful.
super nice place, well decorated, simple and charming, and the host is lovely. So you will definitely love here. I highly recommend it.
And so I hope you get an opportunity to stay here. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. So see you at the next video.